At Z-Axis, the pursuit of quality is a never-ending journey. ISO 9001-2015 is our starting point, but we go above and beyond compliance with this quality standard. Year after year, we're making dramatic improvements, and with growing benefits for our customers and suppliers. Like many companies today, Z-Axis is ISO 9001-2015 certified. That means our quality management system, or QMS, has been audited by a third party. When you do business with us, you can be confident that quality is part of everything that we do, and not just inspections. Z-Axis also exceeds ISO 9001-2015's requirements by using internal systems that are searchable, shareable, and user-friendly. For the skilled employees inside our four walls, the information they need is always readily available, and our experienced engineers are just a few steps away. For example, with our Z-Axis Inspection Protocol, or ZIP, we can easily record and retrieve critical to quality, or CTQ, dimensions instead of waiting to inspect your project until it's complete. We use ZIP for incoming, in-process, and outgoing inspections to help minimize risk at every step of the way. As part of our commitment to continuous improvement, Z-Axis also looks closely at first-pass yield. That's because when a higher percentage of the product passes the test for the first time, it means there's a higher level of product quality. We're also reducing project timelines so that you can get what you need more quickly. Our troubleshooting database is also a valuable quality tool. By logging all repairs of non-conforming products, we can spot trends quickly and search easily for past problems that may provide insights about current issues, such as the solderability of a specific board or lot. Plus, with our process fixture and validation procedures, Z-Axis can ensure greater consistency with tasks such as crimping cables or stripping the jacketing from wires. We even have our own machine shop for making jigs, something that many electronic contract manufacturers lack. To optimize our in-house manufacturing capabilities, we're careful to calibrate instruments like multimeters and equipment like this reflow oven. If a customer discovers a product defect, we use root cause analysis to prepare a program of corrective action or preventative action. The latest ISO version doesn't require PAs, as they're known, but we create them anyway to help advance quality. Minimizing the risk of human error is also important, so paperless travelers and automatically created product labels and shipping documents are part of our standard operating procedures. Z-Axis also invests in training and tracks skill levels so that the right employees are assigned to the right jobs. Our customer feedback database underscores our commitment to your satisfaction. No matter what you tell us, we want you to know that we're listening. As we do our best to continuously get better, quality at Z-Axis is an important part of everything we do.